Hello Sagittarius, welcome again to another video. For today, let's do September energy update for you. Tingnan natin kung ano ang energies, ang mga posibleng paparating for you. Advice. Let's see. This is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn placements. And if you have maraming Sagittarius sa iyong chart, natal chart, birth chart, maaaring ang video na to ay para sa iyo. Don't forget to leave your energies sa pamamagitan ng pag-comment, pag-like, pag-subscribe. Thank you so much. And if interested kang magpa-reading, nasa description ng video na ito ang detalye. Again, don't forget to leave your energies by commenting, liking, and subscribing sa ating channels at videos para mas maengganyo pa tayong mag-upload ng mga tarot reading guidance for you. Check muna natin ang energies mo, Sagittarius. Two of Wands. Plano. Paglilibot. Self-love. Transformation. Physical change. Especially something related sa shoulder. Pwedeng may shoulder pains ka at mas maging better yon, or you will let your hair grow longer this time. King of Swords energies, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, the World. Ayun. Ang nakikita kong energies for you, aside from movement, magandang movement when it comes to your career, kung ano man yung pinagpo-focusan mo, travel, openness sa relationship. Specifically, there is this mabilisang partnership, relationship, open ka sa ganon. There's also transformation, the way you communicate, the way you think, the way you process thoughts. Ingat lang sa pagiging impulsive mo when it comes to your money, to your career shifting. Ano pa ang mga paparating na blessings, guidance meron for Sagittarius? Ano ang paparating sa'yo? Ace of Wands, the Tower, Nine of Cups, Four of Cups, Six of Cups. Okay. For some of you here, there is an energy of a lover na pwedeng bumalik, makipag-communicate, to reconsider the relationship. For some of you, meron ako nakikita, ingat lang when it comes to sa home energy, family. Medyo magkakaroon kayo ng discussion and hindi mo magugustuhan kung ano man yung mangyayari, or maririnig mo from the people na kasama mo sa bahay, or yung mga kinoconsider mong family mo. For some of you, you might feel emotionally fulfilled. Ganon ang tingin sa'yo ng mga tao. You're emotionally fulfilled, you're emotionally focused. Or not focused, but ayun nga, fulfilled. But deep inside, you know that there is something missing. It's time for you to admit that one. It's time for you to confront that one. to find, alam mo yung clarity and mas magkaroon ka ng sense of sigh or relief. A relief, yun. For some of you, you might feel na you're called to reach out to someone from the past. Pero, tinatansya mo pa lang eh. Or this could be vice versa. There's a new beginning when it comes to career opportunity, pero sa umpisa lang siya maganda. Sa umpisa lang to maganda eh. And you might feel the lack of emotional fulfillment when it comes to this kind of career. Especially, this is for the people na naghahanap or gustong magbago ng kanilang career opportunities. Be careful when it comes to impulsive decisions. Especially if if this career is required na lumipat ka ng environment or ng location. Maging open ka din when it comes to pakikipag-usap or discussion sa iyong family. I heard teacher, so kung ikaw ay nag-aaral or may inaaral or nasa trainings, maging open ka sa constructive criticism para mas magkaroon ka ng positive change. What else for Sagittarius? Five of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. The Hierophant. Nine of Wands. Okay. Nine of Swords. I'm sorry. For some of you, I heard intuitively, sobrang dami mo ng pinagkakaabalahan or sobrang dami na ng iyong responsibilidad sa buhay. To the point na hindi mo na nababalanse ang lahat. Nasasayang yung mga opportunities, time, and partnership. You also need to find in your heart yung equality. For some of you, kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, you don't like what you are doing right now sa iyong academic na energy. You are trying to focus on this one, pero hindi mo makuha-kuha yung focus na gusto mo. For some of you, be careful when it comes to betrayal friendship. And sa career naman, mayroong shifting, lalo na kung when it comes to environment, kaya nang sabi ko, wag padalos-dalos. Pero you will still find that career na magbibigay sa'yo ng Nine of Pentacles energy, independence when it comes to kaperahan, career. Pero ayun nga, meron lang akong nakikita dito. You have to let yourself experience those things na magre-require sa'yo to take risks. Huwag mong pagdudahan yung opportunity, lalo na kung it requires you to speak more, to be clear kung ano yung gusto mo, lalo na kung ito ay may relate sa communication. So, and of course, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, find a way to rest your mind, to rest your heart, para mas magkaroon ka pa ng idea kung ano talaga ang gusto mong ipag-focus this month of September. And this is your reading, Sagittarius. If naka-resonate, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.